Tonight, new data from the Child Care Employment Center shows that daycare workers in our country get the short end of the stick financially. In fact, just about every other job, 97% of employment positions pay better than this one. Fox 17 News investigates, taking a closer look at parents' growing concerns about daycares. Fox 17 News' Amanda Chen sits down with two different families and also speaks with an expert to learn about the challenges the daycare system faces.
Nearly 500,000 children in Tennessee qualify for early child care. However, advocates say the quest for quality care is far from simple. And behind each statistic is a family struggling to navigate a system full of challenges. By age 5, 90% of a child's brain has already developed. This makes quality early childhood care critical for shaping a child's development. That's according to the nonprofit First Things First.
We can't go too high on this one.
The Thompson family of Wilson County says the search for quality care was a big issue. Surveillance video at Stay, Learn, and Play child care facility in Wilson County recorded a moment that still haunts Natalie and Ray Thompson.
I mean, even the way she carried him into the room was just very disturbing. And then she forces him down in the chair.
Natalie believes the video shows the worker tossing their 3-year-old son to the carpet. In March, Mount Juliet police charged Kendrell Harris with child abuse. Fox 17 News spoke with the owner of the daycare over the phone. The owner says she doesn't condone Harris's behavior and apologizes for the situation.
I mean, a mixture of emotions, very heartbroken. I was angry. I definitely cried throughout this, whole situation. Just very hurt and angry.
And the Thompsons aren't alone.
Whoa!
Christy Garcia says her son Anthony, also 3, came home with disturbing claims of his own, that a worker at the same daycare put hands on him.
So it was just very upsetting, I brought you my child so that you could watch them while I work, and you're supposed to take care of them and teach them and love them like we do,
Christy pulled her son out immediately. For years, Fox 17 News has reported on dozens of other daycare complaints, including cases involving unlicensed facilities.
In Operation Crime and Justice, our first contact with an illegal daycare center operator.
Just this month, police in Pulaski charged a worker at Kid City, USA with child abuse, uncovering multiple alleged victims. In 2024, the state reported more than 1,000 serious injuries and 10 confirmed child abuse cases at licensed child care centers. So the question remains, how are daycares keeping children safe? The Tennessee Department of Human Services mandates background checks from the TBI and requires daycare staff to complete 12 to 18 hours of training. But according to Tennesseans for Quality Early Education, TQEE, the issue isn't just safety, it's also the quality of care. TQEE reports child care workers earn an average of $23,780 a year, creating one of the most underpaid workforces in the country. Rachel Flynn specializes in early childhood education at Belmont University and emphasizes the significance of those early childhood formative years.
It is really important for them to have opportunities to develop cognitively, physically, socially, emotionally, and linguistically, and that's where high-quality early childhood care comes into play.
The TQEE report warns low pay hurts workforce recruitment, causes high turnover, and discourages people from pursuing a career in the industry. Childcare labor shortage is exacerbating the problem of simple access to childcare, while low pay often results in lower quality care. So, what more can be done?
There's been discussions around looking for funding, ways to help these educators continue their education, providing affordable professional development for them.
Because at the heart of it all, every parent just wants to know their child is safe, cared for, and seen.
You cheater.
You cheater.
While state agencies maintain safety standards for child care facilities, families say there's still more to be done to ensure both safety and quality. You can read more on how to check a daycare's license status and quality rating on our website at fox17.com. Reporting in the studio, I'm Amanda Chen, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.